Alright, back again. So, just here to show you these sealed gardens that I've been making. I've been making them for quite a few years. This is just a small section of them that I'm doing experiments on. I got a lot more. I made about 100 of them. This one is the oldest one, the first one. I made this the day after my cousin died. He died December 18th, 2016, so collected some money at the store. I was carrying it home in this jar. It was donations for unborn daughter, and so yeah, I built this and I put several types of plants. I know it's not pretty, but it's been sealed for 6 years, and you got ferns growing in there. It's hard to see. Maybe we can do another angle, but yeah, it's just living away. And this is an experiment. We got 3D printed pot. There's some clay grow stones at the bottom, and just regular old soil from outside, and the strasberries. And that's what we're testing. All these strasberries. There's a few weeds that got in with it. This is outside. These grow all around my property. This is like first thing up in the spring. Last thing to die. I mean, it stays green all winter. Really neat. It's the whole backstory behind how I got these, but I now have them circling my entire property and all my like extra land. And so now we're testing them in these sealed ones. So this is like a Dollar Tree thing with the grow stones, clay ones, and this has a mix of, I think it's from the aquarium store. It's activated charcoal mixed with zeolite. And you got sea glass. And yeah, but that's growing. It's just got some weeds. That's doing real good. It's actually been sprouting since it's been there. These are about a week old. So see if they mold out or if they grow, how long they live for. See if this is the ideal plant, because I really like strasberries, so they're real sweet. They get a red berry. I doubt they will in here, but you never know. I did have one time in one of my units. It did pop a little berry, but it wasn't this plant. It was a different berry plant, and it's kind of neat. So yeah, we'll just revisit this at some future time. Oh yeah, that's my Jesus lamp. It's a cool old antique. It's just kind of eccentric, but I like it. It just provides, a 10-watt glow. So, boom. Until next time, if you want to see more of this or hear about it, just let me know.